JavaScript, Kotlin, SwiftUI, PHP, R, C, C++, C#, C, Objective-C, Bash, and also PowerShell, and we have x86 assembly language, and we are here, we are inside of the amusement park. We have triangle structure, also we have the base, we have the height, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 different angles, also we have the string variable, and also we have the arc and different types of wedges, and also we have the structures and different triangles, and also we have the people, also we have the prism, and also we have the height, width, length, and other structures, and also we have the color. White will be for 255, 255, 255, and also red will be for 255, 00, and also blue will be for 00, 255, 00, 255. Also look at this green, and we have the green, it is 0, 255, 0. Also have different characters. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and also have 9 and 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 different characters actually we have, and also we have Hello Kitty, it is 13. It will be 3 smooths, also 2 from the monsters, and also we have 1 from the monster, and 2 from the Mowgli, and also 4 mutant turtles, and 1 Hello Kitty. And different structures, also we have the posters, we have the light, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights from one side and 5 from another. We have the mission at Dream Island. Also have the people, they are doing photos, and it is actually good. And we have the Hello Kitty there, and also tickets office, and music. We have the wave files, sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, second, cosecant, arc, tangent, arcotangent, and arc sine, arcosine, and arc second, arcosecond, arc sine, arcosine, cosine, and sine, and also different trigonometric functions and inverse trigonometrical functions. Okay, let's go again. Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, second, cosecant, and also arc second, arcosecond, arctangent, arcotangent, and also arc sine, arc cosine. And we have the structures, we have rectangles, number of them, and we have the cars, we have the wheels, also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also we have the steering wheel and different sitting places there, and also identification for them, and we have the string variables, and we have the int, float, double, and other x86 assembly language, Node.js, Next.js, Nest.js, Nuxt.js, and also we have Chart.js and Vue.js and other JavaScript different features we have, and also JavaScript frameworks, and .NET we also have. We have different places to sit, and also we have the palms, and they are here. We have the spheres there, 1, 2, 3 spheres, and also different structures of leaves, and we have the flowers, and also sitting places. We have the parallelepiped plus 1 more parallelepiped, 1 more parallelepiped, and colors, RGB, RGBA, and also HSL, HCL, and HSV schemas, and also have the memory, and we have the registers of data inside of it. We can place it as these piles, and we have the heap, we have the data structures also. Okay, memory, and x86 assembly language, AXB, AX, BX, CX, DX, EX, EBX, ECX. Okay, EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, AX, BX, CX, DX, RAX, RBX, RCX, and also RDX, and others. And we have RSI, RDI, RBP, RSP, and also DHDL, CHCL, BHBL, AHAL, BHBL, CHCL, DHDL, and structures also green, 0, 0, 0, 0 to 155, 0. It is also have yellow and orange and different structures, and also have the music assurance, kind of assurance or what, it's the place actually. Да, конечно, хорошо, спасибо. And we are here, we have the mask, and it is the what people said to us that need to wear mask, and we have the beans and also structures here, and different arrays of data, and VGA and HDMI, and also we are speaking with you, and yeah, we have x86 assembly language, and RAX, RBX, RCX, RDX, AX, BX, CX, DX, MOV. Also have the registers for the strings, registers for the people, registers for the variables, registers for the audio variable, registers for the graphics variable, registers for the pixels, registers to connect all the components together, registers for the instructions, data segments, DS. Also have SQL, SQLite, and MySQL, and PostgreSQL, and other features. So have the NoSQL, and wow, it's nice and good looking. Look at this. It's with the appearance and with the light, and it's actually looking good. And let's take a look at this. And we have the game zone, I think so, and we have the light, we have the people, we have the people ID, we have the structures, we have the variables, we have the pos x, pos y, pos z, and also val x, val y, val z, ACCX, val c, val dot x, val dot y, val dot z, and we have the different structures and vectors, and also struct and void, and also have the voids and structures and light. It is actually good and nice looking. It's kids play zone, and it looks neon, and it's amazing. I like it, by the way, with the color. And we have the Dream Game Center also, and we have the different structures, and people could go inside, and it's amazing. And we have the colors, we have the different pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, also octagon, nonagon, decagon, and also square root, square root. Also have square root, and square brackets, triangular brackets, also curly brackets, C++, C#, Ruby, Rust, Perl, OCaml, also PHP, HTML, body, footer, head, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and also creating this segments, and also have data segments, also stack segments. We have the set of segments such as data segment, also stack segment, and also code segment, and we have the data sets, and subset, and set, surjection, injection, and also we have the bijection, and we have the structures, also have the colors, and we have the white and red, and also kind of brownish, reddish, and orangish, we can say it. And also we can speak in different languages. Also we have the DICT. Actually we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y otras y biki uch y. And also we can use different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and also have the colors and different features, and also have the palms, again lighting and ray tracing, and also have ray casting, and to have the shadows, shading languages, also OpenGL we will use, also we'll use WebGL, and another features, DirectX, and also direct current to have, and ohms laws, and physics to have, physics, geography, altitude, longitude, latitude, and also chemistry, oxygen, nitrogen, and different features such as color and people, and we have the ohms law, and also resistance, resistors, transistors, and they are inside of this place, and also we have the street lights and different features there, and light and different objects and shadows, and also have the opacity, transparency, and it is the transparent glass and glasses we have, and glass is created with chemistry and also with the heat, and we have the heat and we have the temperature of this place, and Biot-Savart Laplace laws we have, and we have Ohm's law, Gauss law, and also Kirchhoff's rules 1 and first and second, and we have the laws of Newton, and also first law, second law, third, and also F equals to m multiplied times a, acceleration and mass we have, and different structures and sport masters, and also sports, and different Oscars, and music we have, and different structures, and also machines, cars, machinas, and Satu dua tiga empat lima enam tujuh delapan sembilan sepuluh. It is the counting in Indonesian language, and we can count. We have the black color, it is 0, 0, 0. Also have the people, we have the structures, also have the placement stores, and different windows, and they are here, and different angles, and also plants and flowers, and also different structures, and beans we have, and garbage control, and also cal face, and also have GL cal face, GL matrix, GL rect, GL vertex 2, GL vertex 3, GL vertex 4, and vertices we have, and matrices, matrix mode also, and it's good to be here, and we are walking, and it's amazing, and we have the structures, and also have the light, ray tracing, ray-tracing.x, ray-tracing.y, ray-tracing.z, and raycasting.x, raycasting.y, raycasting.z, and also we have trigonometry we can use, and also unit circles, and different types of radius, steradian, and also have diameter, float radius, float height, float width, float length, and also length of the words, and parsing we have, and also syntax analysis, and we have the windows and structures, and also have the shape of them, and different people, they are walking, they have their own position, they have pos x, pos y, pos z, and also rotation, quaternions, octonions, sedenions, and also imaginary units we use. Imaginary unit is equal to square root of -1, and also we have 3, 14, 15, 92, 6, it is p number, and also Euler's number will be 271, 828, and we have tau number, it will be for 6.28, 3, and etc. And also we have dot product, cross product, and also vectors, and we have the multiplication and matrices, triangular matrices, and also triangular matrix, and also we have the upper triangular matrix or the right triangular matrix, and also we have the left triangular matrix or the lower triangular matrix, and we have lower triangular matrices and also upper triangular matrices, and also we have the right triangular matrices and left triangular matrices, and we have square matrices and determinant and minors, and also piano, and we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G sounds, and also have G sharp and C sharp, and also D sharp and F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and also we have different structures and scales, Do major, and also C major scale, and C minor scale, and also A major scale, A minor scale, and also G major scale, and G minor scale, and others. And we have different structures and constructions, and also have the crosses, and we should have there somewhere time. And I think that yes, there were somewhere, I think so, I've seen them, some time and structures with showing the time to us. And we have the time, local time, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and millis, and also have the hours, we have the millis, also seconds, minutes, millis, seconds, minutes, hours, days, weekdays, and also months, and structures, and we have struct, void, vector, and class, and void main, int main, and arguments, and also attributes, abbreviations, and also TTTR, TF, and body and header, and H1, H2, H3, and also have the directions, pointers, and also data pointers, and bytecode Java, and going there, and also walking, and we have the structures, and we have the different applications, and also sitting places, and also different restrictions, and different rules, regulations, laws, and different viewing points, and we can describe them actually, and we have them, and we are describing actually, and we have the different styles, designs, and also if we will compare it with, we can do comparing, and we can do exchange, X, C, H, G, and CMP, JXCHG, and also jump, JMP, and also JPEG, MPEG, MP4, MP3, and we have the MOV, and also have jump, and we have the register, starting the register and finishing the register, and also AX, BX, CX, DX, EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, and also RAX, RBX, RCX, RDX, RSI, RBI, RRDI, RBP, RSP, stack pointer, base pointers, instruction pointer, and also have instructions and data, and to have the points and also integers to binary, and converting int to bit, and bit to int, and octal, hexadecimal, and also octal, hexadecimal things and bases, and also logarithms, log2, log10, ln, also logarithms and carousels, and you have the layers, and also first floor, second floor, and x, y, and also have p number, and Euler's number, and tau, and different structures, and also speed, acceleration, velocity, and position, and also have the 2pr, 2 times speed, 2 times speed times r, and also have the square of r. It is r in, it is the, we have the volume also of the cylinder, and also have the area of each layer of the XZ grid. And we have the grid, also have the plane, also have the frustum and features, and also have the trees, binary trees, and AB trees, and other trees. And it's actually good. Thank you a lot for watching. See you next time. Improve so daily. Go forward. Compile, create, PHP, C++, C#, Go, Erlang, Elixir, and other programming languages, x86 assembly language 55AA, boot, and C++, compile. Compile this island of the dream. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. You're a nice guy. Okay. See ya. Bye.